Drivers, here's another well-paying, very necessary driving job that's often overlooked. It's the transit mixer or concrete truck driver. The transit mixer, also known as a truck-mounted concrete mixer or just a concrete truck, is a vehicle specifically designed to transport ready-mix concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. One of the biggest advantages of being a transit mixer, concrete truck driver, is the steady demand for the job. Since construction is a year-round industry, there is always a need for concrete delivery, ensuring stable employment. Additionally, the competitive pay makes this career appealing. A concrete truck driver earns more than standard truck drivers due to the specialized skills needed. Another major benefit is that most drivers return home daily, unlike long-haul drivers who can spend weeks out on the road. This makes it a great option for those who want a driving job without being away from family for an extended period of time. As construction projects continuously require concrete, drivers will always be in demand, a demand that may take you from one construction site to another daily. And you may even drive a different type of mixing truck depending on the project and mixture needed. What are the different types, you ask? Well, there's the standard ready-mix truck, equipped with a rotating drum that keeps the concrete mixed during transport, carrying 6 to 10 cubic yards of concrete, generally used at construction sites, roads, and building foundations. Second, there's the volumetric concrete mixer, a mobile batching plant. It mixes concrete on-site instead of transporting pre-mixed concrete. Third, the front discharge mixer, similar to the transit mixer, but the drum positioned in the front for easier unloading. And fourth, there's the rear discharge mixer, the traditional concrete truck where the drum rotates and pours from the back. Fifth, the concrete pump truck, a concrete truck with a boom pump or line pump for placing concrete in hard-to-reach areas. And sixth, there's the conveyor concrete truck, a transit mixer equipped with a conveyor belt to transport concrete to a specific location, useful for pouring over obstacles like walls or into trenches. So, now that you have an understanding of the different types of concrete trucks or transit mixers you see on our highways and byways, just remember that they are more than just a pretty face. They're the secret weapon behind our modern infrastructures. From skyscrapers to sidewalks, these trucks make it all happen. Concrete mixers aren't just big metal boxes on wheels anymore. They're the unsung heroes of construction. To sum up the transit mixers, they are trucks mounted with concrete carrying drums, loaded with dry and water material. The drum has the ability to rotate in either direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. With the help of the spiral blade within the drum, this action ensures the concrete remains in a liquid state. This drum can rotate even while the vehicle is moving or being driven, to ensure the concrete remains usable and of good quality. When they arrive at a construction site, they spin and pour, delivering their concrete in mere moments. Believe it or not, about 70% of concrete production is used for building infrastructure, like roads and bridges. You can't build that mega skyscraper without them. A typical concrete truck can carry up to 12 cubic yards of concrete. This means they can pour large amounts at once, saving time and cutting down labor costs. Plus, mixing on the go ensures deliveries are always fresh and ready to work. According to the National Ready Mixed Concrete Association, timely deliveries can reduce project delays by 40%. But here's a fun fact. Concrete needs to be delivered within 90 minutes post-mixing for peak performance. If not, you'll end up with a very expensive rock pile. The different trucks are the standard ready mix truck, which keeps the concrete fresh during transport with their rotating drums. The volumetric concrete mixer, a mobile batching plant on wheels. The front discharge mixer, similar to the transit mixer, but the drum is positioned in the front of the vehicle. The standard rear discharge mixer, a concrete truck where the drum rotates and pours from the back. The concrete pump truck, with a boom pump and line that pumps concrete in hard-to-reach places. And the conveyor concrete truck, a transit mixer equipped with a conveyor belt to transport concrete to specific locations. These are their chassis types. Class 6 is perfect for lighter jobs, Class 7 for mid-sized projects, and Class 8 for those big construction undertakings. So, next time you spot one of those big beauties rolling down the road, remember, they're not just hauling concrete, they're carrying the weight of entire projects on their sturdy backs. Concrete trucks help maintain construction efficiency, reduce waste, and improve worksite productivity. And with a steady demand, competitive pay, and daily home return for drivers, operating a concrete truck will offer a stable and rewarding career. As infrastructure and construction projects continue to grow, the need for skilled concrete truck drivers remains high, making it a promising career choice for those with CDLs. Whether for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, concrete mixers are the backbone of modern construction, ensuring that structures are built with precision and durability. There you have it, drivers. The unsung heroes of the construction world, the transit mixer or concrete truck driver. Thanks for watching. As always, drivers, stay safe.